How do I know if a company is good for investing? What kind of things do I have to investigate before making a decision? How can I tell from a few keywords that a founder is actually bluffing? That's all it takes for me to make an extremely decisive decision. To invest or not to invest? I founded the company more than 10 years ago. We specialize in private investigation for sustainability innovation companies, with one of the world's most comprehensive database called Future. Basically, we dig up any dirt, reveal any red flags, and analyze a company before any investor comes in. Why are we good at this? Because we're VCs too. The world of venture capital is both mysterious and exciting. The stakes are high and everyone wants a piece of the action. If you don't have the knowledge or the instinct, then you'll be making a wrong decision, costing millions of dollars from the client. In this program, I'll teach you all the things I've learned from years of our experience. Knowledge you will only have when you're in the front lines. You'll go deep inside the mindset of a venture capitalist. Learn how to truly investigate a company, what information is important, how various industries work, hot trends like sustainability, blockchain, FinTech, etc. You'll get to learn how we spot scams and overblown claims from startups, how small details can reveal a lot, and help you anticipate if your client should invest or not. If you want to work in the VC industry, or you want to pitch your ideas to an investor, you better be smart. Get to know how we operate. These knowledge and skills will help you in your future personal and professional life. This is the way of the venture capitalist. I'm Desmond Marshall. Join me and enter the world of venture capital.